History. Jaguar, renowned for its luxurious and high-performance vehicles, has a rich history dating back to 1920 to when it was founded by Sir William Lyons and William Walmsley as the Swallow Sidecar Company. Initially, they produced motorcycle sidecars before transitioning to manufacturing automobiles. In 1935, the company was renamed Jaguar Cars Ltd. Early success. Jaguar gained early recognition with the production of stylish and fast cars. The SS100, launched in 1936, was a significant milestone, known for its speed and elegance. Post-World War II, the XK120 sports car garnered worldwide acclaim for its top speed, making it the fastest production car of its time. Best inventions. Jaguar's innovation reached its pinnacle with the introduction of the E-Type in 1961. This iconic sports car featured groundbreaking design and performance, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts and even royalty. The XJ6, launched in 1968, set new standards for luxury saloons. Adaptability in the 21st century. In the 21st century, Jaguar adapted to changing market demands and environmental concerns. The introduction of the Jaguar XF, XE, and F-PACE signaled the brand's foray into the luxury sedan and SUV segments. They also embraced electric mobility with the Jaguar I-PACE, an all-electric SUV that received critical acclaim. Current status. Jaguar, now a part of Jaguar Land Rover JLR, continues to craft vehicles that blend performance, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Their lineup of luxurious cars includes the all-electric I-PACE, the luxurious XJ, and the iconic F-Type sports car. Jaguar remains synonymous with British automotive excellence, known for its reliability and adaptability. Jaguar's revenue in the fiscal year 2018 was recorded at $31.37 billion,